shout out to my landlords in Kansas City. Yo, Rick and Frank. When the battery went out on my car, I called my landlord and he's like, just take my car. I come back and he's like, oh, I got you a new battery. I'm like, you did what? Thank you.
You had some nice landlords.
They were so good.
That is one way in which money really started creeping into our lives. It's almost like 180 thought process. I'm going to buy a car for cash. I'm going to get my car financed. I think the whole debunked notion of I want to get a really new car because I don't want it to break down on me really doesn't make sense. If you do the proper investigations, you can get a really used car at a great value and not have to use your loan check like I did.
Oh, and then shout out to my parents. At that time, they were actually helping me to pay my car insurance.
Shout out to my parents too. Not only did they help me get the loan for the bank, but they also paid my insurance up until I finished medical school. And then once residency started, me and Geico were like this. So
Yeah, that was the same with me.